University Lake was founded in 1932 by the University of North Carolina as a source of drinking water for the school and the community. Today, in addition to being used for drinking water, University Lake is used for recreation such as rowing and fishing. The lake is now managed by the Orange Water and Sewer Authority, or OWASA. University Lake covers an area that is approximately 200 acres, and it can hold up to 450 million gallons of water. Its watershed is 30 square miles of area near Chapel Hill and Carborough.
One important part of the University Lake watershed is this creek here. It's actually called Phil's Creek, and it flows right into University Lake. University Lake is in a temperate deciduous forest biome. That means there are a lot of fallen over trees in the water.
It also has a muddy bottom with a few rocky areas. This is not always a good thing because many fish species, including catfish, prefer a bottom made of rocks or gravel. People have reported sightings of many creatures that exist in healthy ecosystems at University Lake. For example, people have reported sightings of fox, or deer, or squirrels, or possums. And I can say, I've been to University Lake at least 24 times. I've seen water snakes, I've seen box turtles, I've seen all kinds of birds, from hummingbirds to herons, from hawks to the state bird, cardinals. After just a short while on the lake, I quickly found out that it has many sunfish. The lake is also stocked with largemouth bass, crappie, and catfish. These, along with sunfish, are the predominant species of the lake. There is one particularly interesting species called bowfin, which are interesting because they have retained a shape that is similar to very primitive fish rather than the fish of today. University Lake is managed, as previously mentioned, by the Orange Water and Sewer Authority, or OWASA. They have a dam on one side of the lake that lets them regulate the water levels, and currently OWASA takes out 7 million gallons a day to be treated from its reservoirs, including University Lake, Cane Creek Reservoir, and Quarry Reservoir. But they estimate that they can sustainably take out 10.5 million gallons a day, so there's no shortage of water right now. OWASA offers recreation at University Lake, like boating and fishing, but they have a number of regulations designed to preserve the quality of water at University Lake. Any bodily contact with the lake is prohibited in order to keep people from contaminating the lake. Gas motors are not allowed on the lake to prevent emissions from going into it. All motors from home will be inspected for aquatic weeds to prevent them from entering the lake. There are also regulations on the building of impermeable surfaces in the watershed to prevent excess runoff going into the lake. OWASA also tests for many important factors to the ecosystem, such as dissolved oxygen, which is needed by aquatic life for respiration, and turbidity, which affects how much light aquatic plants get. We even took a sample of University Lake water and found its pH to be 6.17, which is quite healthy. Overall, University Lake seems to be a quite healthy ecosystem. Hopefully, we can preserve it so that it can be enjoyed in the future.
One important part of the University Lake watershed is this creek here. It's actually I wiped my nose.